All right, guys, so I've been talking about it. Finally got one. Noveske chainsaw. And before anything, I want to give a shout out to Simple Man Armory, getting me this fucking upper so damn quick, despite all the weather that they're having out there in North Carolina. Replace that blade. All right. So it's pretty well lit. Okay, cool. Pull this box up. I am gonna go shoot this here in a bit, test it out. Ooh, got the ID hat. If I didn't mention, it's a Noveske Irregular defense setup. So we got the hat. Probably might rock the Slade hat. Of course, got the gummies. Probably have those too. We'll save that for last. I haven't seen much on these in terms of what actually comes in them. There's not many pictures out there, but with just the upper only, you get the hand stop. Oh, shit. You get both. You get the wider one and the slimmer one. Wasn't expecting that. Set of the rail covers with the cable management. And I believe the barricade stop. Nope, another set of rail covers. Sure, there's one more. Okay, maybe it got packaged funny. Because it was supposed to be a barricade stop, but hey, I'll take these two. Anyways, let's see what comes in here. Got the Noveske sticker, the chainsaw. Cool little swag. Shit better for how expensive this is, but yeah, here we go. Let's check it out. Some good light on that. You can step to the side a little bit. Let's see. Check the QC on it. Rail's nice and good. A little bit of that oil, not as bad as BCM. Y'all can't see it right here, but just a fluted mid-length 11.5 barrel. You got the, I don't know if it's, this isn't the new pig pen, but it's essentially that without the labeling. This is gonna be for the CGS size 6. It's gonna be the 1x16. It's left-hand threads, so Cobalt Connect Scrambler will fit on here, from my understanding. Don't know what the stamp is for the quality. But 1075 Noveske rail. They don't come with the Geisley gas buster or airborne charging handle anymore. Now the Noveske love handle. Go ahead and pull that out. It's all aluminum though, so I believe, yeah, that feels like it. Looks good. Here's their chrome line BCG. It's nice and staked. Oh, it looks good. Got a little bit of oil. Let's see if it stands up on itself. I saw a video. Tyler had an issue with his after shooting a few rounds. His BCG didn't stand up on its own weight, but yeah, we're good. Gas rings are good. So I'm gonna take an H1 or H0 buffer on a Voltra A5 system. And then I'm also going to take my modified H3. It's like in between an H3 and an H4. It's like a 3.6 ounce. So, I don't know if you can really see in there. You can press the 2x zoom and kind of look in there. Cerakote's nice and thick. I may still spray paint this olive drab from Rapco Parts for that coyote look. Don't know yet for sure. I kind of want the lower to match. I don't want to set my lower off for Cerakote, but this Cerakote on here is actually pretty nice. So I may. Who knows? But yeah, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get this all kitted up with the Irregular defense furniture and then pop this on my SBR lower. We'll get out there. We'll go shoot it. suppressed, unsuppressed. I gotta see if I can find my cute cherry bomb. Otherwise, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw the Huxwork can on here for now. Stay tuned. I tell y'all what, the lockup on that with that Cerakote, I almost couldn't get the pins in all the way just on the first try. No slop in between the upper and lower receivers, so good there. All right, Irregular defense. We're gonna shoot this unsuppressed first. Just got some mixed 55 grain. Okay. Do it without the can. See if it cycles. I got that the 3.6 ounce buffer, so a little more than a. It's called an H3.5. And it cycles. So Voltor A5. So that's telling me when I go suppress, I'm still gonna need to go up on buffer weight. Noveske bolt's doing pretty good. Rocking the Noveske hat. See how the recoil impulse. It's good ejection. Safe direction. It's like perfect 4 o'clock with the modified buffer. So that's weird because when I was shooting it without it, it was still ejecting. A little further back, probably 430. I don't know what I'm talking about. Let me shoot this some more, guys. Reload 3 from the pocket. I'm not getting any gas to the face. That's what's nice. I'm using the Q Trash Panda. Stand by. Go ahead and do a couple YouTube shorts. Or a YouTube short. So, stand by.